Presented to you by grumpyfoot.com.
In my travels, I've stumbled upon countless gadgets claiming versatility, but rarely have I come across one that genuinely fuses function with artistry, as the Bullet Ant 2.0 does. This is no ordinary pen. Crafted from grade 5 titanium, this titan of multi-tools blends the elegance of a finely made writing instrument with the ruggedness of a tactical device. While the urban landscape and the wild have their unique challenges, the Bullet Ant 2.0 seems built for both. Imagine scribbling down fleeting thoughts or sketching fleeting moments with its everlasting pen mechanism. No more fumbling for refills. The reliable Eterna refill ensures each word flows with precision, even on the most challenging terrains. But what truly sets this pen apart is its sheer capability. Hidden beneath its sleek exterior lies an integrated screwdriver, ready for those unexpected fixes. The pen cap cleverly conceals space for 2 bits, ensuring you're always prepared. And in moments where words might fail, its tungsten steel attack head can shatter windows, making it not just a tool, but a potential lifesaver. The compact design, trimmed dimensions, and enhanced grip make it a constant companion, whether you're negotiating the bustling streets of Tokyo or the remote trails of Patagonia. The pen's anti-slip feature ensures every interaction feels personal and intimate, a tool that's an extension of one's thoughts. I've seen many gadgets come and go, but the Bullet Ant 2.0 feels timeless. Its sandblasted finish exudes an outdoorsy aesthetic while retaining its sophisticated allure. The removable clip allows for customization, making it feel uniquely yours, be it in a city skyscraper or a mountaintop retreat. Surprisingly, amidst its functionality, it also serves as a soothing fidget toy. The bolt-action mechanism offers a rhythmic dance under one's fingers, providing a brief respite from the chaos of daily life. And for those always on the move, the box opener capability proves invaluable, slicing through packages with ease. For those intrigued, the second-generation Bullet Ant is available on Kickstarter, retaining its spirit while enhancing its form, and at a starting price of $69 it feels like a steal, especially when one considers its expected retail price. Accessories, add-ons, and even its predecessor, the Bullet Ant Pen 1.0, are available for those looking to truly personalize their experience. In essence, this is a tool that doesn't just write stories, it becomes a part of them. It's not just about the functionality, it's about a statement, a commitment to excellence and adaptability. Whether you're signing off on an important deal or jotting down memories under a starlit sky, the Bullet Ant 2.0 is a testament to the art of living.